Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Tradovate. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is head on over to tradingview.com. From here, sign into your account. Then once you've signed in, we want to go ahead and hover our mouse over products at the top of the page and click onto super charts. Now from here, at the bottom or middle of the page, we're going to have a three tabs here. We want to go ahead and click on that trading panel. Now simply find Tradovate. If you can't find it, scroll down, click on all brokers, and then it's going to show you more brokers. Find Tradovate. If you're like me and you can't find things easily, go ahead and click on Control F on your keyboard, type in Tradovate, click down or up, and it's going to highlight it for you. So now simply click onto Tradovate. From here we can connect to our live or demo account. So put in your Tradovate username, password, and hit connect. Once you've successfully connected, it's going to redirect you back here, and it's going to have TradingVate here.